Oh, blast it all. Anyway. Maybe they'll go in there. The joys of beekeeping. Okay, going in. Got the attire on. Dogs are watching. Ladder set up. Hive box. Swarm. Wish me luck. I'm gonna need it. I'm sure it'll be fine though. It's growing. So I'm assuming the queen's in that. So I'll have to make a second attempt. Okay. Second attempt. I got the second branch. Hopefully the queen is in that and they will all follow her in the hive. We will see. Time will tell. Meanwhile, I gotta find my, oh, they're there. I gotta find my clippers and clip that stick down so they get in the box. I'm out of here. Okay. Third attempt. Whoa. I got a third branch down. Hopefully the queen is in that. Because if she's not, I think I'm just done. Oh, holy cow. So I go to trim that so it fits in. I can put the lid on. So it looks to me like we have a successful capture. Whoa. So let's put this lid on. Alrighty. Tonight when it's dark, I'll move them over to the hive area. Poor tree. I think I will call this tree Swarm Tree.